check yourself, how much repressions are there, how much suppressions are there, how much blockages are happening in my physical body, in my mental body, one has to investigate. Once you know it, you start working on that. Once you start working on that, naturally you start experiencing Kundalini. And the other day when we were there in Fayetteville in Arkansas, we gave this Kundalini initiation for about 10-15 friends there one evening. After the completion of the initiation process, I just asked the friends, come on, share your experience in these 45 minutes. What you got it? What is your experience? Whatever you experience, please share. Not from the knowledge you read from books or anything. I don't want any bookish things. There are many, many books written on Kundalini. I am not bothered about them. I only want to know what is your straight experience. You have undergone certain process for 45 minutes. There must be some experience. Please share that. It was very interesting on that day. One of the persons who undergone this Kundalini on that day, in the last part of the process, she started dancing. There is no program in that program. There is no dancing program. I never guided to dance. But that particular friend started dancing the last 15 minutes while the process was at the end of it, the climax of it. I was witnessing that too. I asked her, why you danced? I never guided you to dance. I only asked you to do some breathings and etc. and shaking, all other exercises. But why you did it? She said, I have not done it. Please understand. She said, I have not done it. Then who did it? She said, I don't know. I also knew that I also knew that I was dancing, but I have not forced myself to do a dancing. It was a happening, she said. I saw that 15 minutes dancing. It's not just a human dance. It's a divine dancing. The movements of the hands and the face expression, all these things, impossible. Even if you train for 5 years. She was crying, weeping, so much of tears when she was expressing. Out of gratitude, not out of sadness or anything. This is one expression of Kundalini. And another friend expressed and shared her experience like it was like a movement in the spine, as if somebody was pushing some air inside the spinal cord. That is another person's expression. The questioner is asking, how do you know when Kundalini opens? You will know. Because the experience of Kundalini is not a very mild or a unnoticeable experience. It's a big experience. You will never miss it. It's not a missed call. It's a powerful call. There is no way to miss it once it starts opening. And the questioner is asking, is it the same for all? It's not the same for all. It differs from person to person. The movement of Kundalini is nothing but you are traveling from the past lives also. The past life experiences are not the same with everyone. It is such a long journey, the movement of the Kundalini.